Good morning, students of class 5. Today I am going to start chapter number 19 from English grammar book, past continuous tense. Last day we have done chapter 18, past tense, and we have completed our syllabus for the unit test. I think you have no problem with the syllabus for the unit test syllabus. So you have to prepare yourself for the unit test. Then we are going to start our chapter, past continuous tense. Where do we use past continuous tense? We use past continuous tense to express an action that was going on, that was continued at some time in the past, or we can say that it expresses an action that was going on when something else happened. Like Manish was flying a kite. This expresses an action that was going on in the past and it was continuing for some time. I was sleeping when the telephone bell rang. It expresses an action that was going on when something else happened. I was sleeping at that time, telephone bell rang. I was playing the piano when Vivek entered the room. I was playing piano and at that time Vivek entered the room. Okay. So how do we form past continuous tense? We know how to form present continuous tense. We have to use present form of verb to be and with main verb with ing form. Like I am writing a letter. Like that, we have to use past form of the verb to be with the ing form of the main verb. Like I was writing a letter. Okay? They were walking towards the market. It was raining hard when I left my house. These are the example of past continuous tense. So I think you have no problem in understanding this chapter. Continuous tense means the action is continue for some time. If it is present continuous, it is continuing in the present time, and if it is past continuous tense, it was continuing and completed at some time in the past. Okay. Now we are trying to complete the exercise. Page number 82, lesson number 19. Clear? Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. An old woman dash sweets among the poor when she slipped and fell. Distribute. An old woman was distributing sweets among the poor when she slipped and fell. Number 2. Lata dashed at herself in the mirror when I entered her room. Look. Lata was looking at herself in the mirror when I entered her room. Number 3. The luxury ship dashed in the sea when we reached the port. Shell. The luxury ship was sailing in the sea when we reached the port. Number 4 is number 83. Nirja dashed for her school function when the phone rang. Practice. Nirja was practicing for a school function when the phone rang. Clear? Yes. Number 5. Naughty boy dashed stones at a small puppy when I saw them. Throw. We have to use past form of verb to be. It is naughty boys, plural number, so it will be were. Naughty boys were throwing stones at a small puppy when I saw them. Ankita's parents dashed the hall for her birthday party when she was at school. Decorate. Ankita's parents were decorating the hall for her birthday party when she was at school. Number 7. Samir dashed a letter to his friend in London when the lights went off. Right. Samir was writing a letter to his friend in London when the lights went off. Here we have to drop AD from right and we have to add ing. The spelling will be WRITING. Root form is WRIT. When we are adding ing, we have to drop last T and we have to add ing. So the spelling will be WRITING. Okay, you have to remember the spelling correctly. Number 8. I suddenly noticed that I dash in the wrong direction. Walk. I suddenly noticed that I was walking in the wrong direction. Number 9. All trains from Jammu dash late because the track was under repair. Answer will be all trains from Jammu were running late. The spelling of running RUNN. N will be double here. Running RUNNING. Running late because the track was under repair. I dashed vegetables in the market when the fire broke out. I was buying vegetables in the market when the fire broke out. I think you have no problem in understanding. I'll write the answer for you, so don't worry. I'm trying to write a letter for write an essay for you, and I'll send you to by this week I'll send the essay to you. Okay. So be careful. You have to do your study, not only English grammar, for all subjects you have to study nicely for your unit test, and you have to prepare yourself for your final test also, because from the middle of the January you have your some subjects you have to be prepare yourself for giving annual term exam, isn't it? Like moral science, GK, these subjects you have to be sit for the annual examination during this time. So be careful, be steady, and prepare yourself for your exam. Best of luck.